Hey, I'm Dean with Helco Fabrication, and I'm a welder and fabricator. I work on everything from custom modifications to repairs. With all my work, I take pride in building things the right way or fixing things that others thought were a lost cause. In my shop, I use everything from multi-process welders that can do MIG, TIG, or stick. I've got plasma cutters, I've got oxyacetylene torches, I've got a lathe, so any of your metalworking projects I can take care of. Some projects are simple repairs and some are full builds. But for me, it's just about solving a problem and then creating something quality that's built to last. If you're into fabrication, custom metalwork, or seeing how things get built, follow along.